Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today the topic we are going to discuss is about MySQL EXISTS Operator. So let me give you the brief explanation what do you mean by existence operator. The existence operator is used to test for the existence of any record in a subquery. So how can I make you understand? Let's create a table. We need to create two tables. Then we will do the operation based on that. So just follow the instruction. You will get to know how it will be worked. So let's create table. We will create our first table by name of customer. So then let's see here having the ID. So I would like to say on how customer ID, customer ID, which is ID primary key. So the other one is auto increment. So the next one will be a customer name, customer name. So it's a worker data type. Then just give the value for the worker as much as you can give it. So the next one will be having, so for this table is enough. Let's go for the second one. It will be easier also. Yeah, this one is created already. You can see, let's describe it. Describe customer. So we want to see the structure of our database. So as you can see, the structure of our database is created successfully. No issue on that. So let's go for the second one. So let's insert on this, then we will go for the second one into customer. So let's give the value on that. We have a customer ID. Then we have a customer name. And then we are going to say the values. We are going to give the value for that. So customer ID, so it's we can say one. Customer name, I would like to give ABC as you wish, but you will get. So as you can see, the first row is created. So first row and column is created. So let's do 2 or 3 more to make sure making understanding. So I would like to say to this one DPF. Let's create one more just by editing. Not getting too much into HLI. So the number I would like to say 3. So it is 3 is enough. Let's do one more. So let's see our table state will not select start from store one. So as you can see, our customer table is created. There is no issue with that. So let's go create the second one. Create table store order. We will see this one as order, customer order table name. So this will also ID will have order ID primary through auto increment. So the next one we are going to say as, so this one was our order ID, and the other we are going to say as total amount. The total amount and the one that is so low. So from 10 to, so this will be generate the number for that. So I think so it is enough for this one also. One of them will be making you confuse that. So let's see describe customer order. So as you can see, the structure of our customer order is ready. There is no issue with this also. So let's do the giving the like the ID and the total amount, how much you're paying for that. These things the order first. So let's say insert into customer order. So based on our structure table, we have one order ID, and the other one we have a total amount. So now we are going to insert our values in this. The values we are going to give as first one, total amount we are giving 19.45 cents, and close the bracket and enter it. As you can see, it is created. So let's do another 2-3 more. 20.5, this one too, later. So let's do one more thing also. This one I would like to say to 243. Let me clear the 0.50 for this. Yes. Select start roles. The table name which we give is customer order. So as you can see, it's created already. Let's see another one. Just go and type it. Select the stuff for customer. Let's. Our two table is created successfully. There is no issue with that. So the next step is we're going to do is do the operation. So we are now going to do the operation of exists. So now you will get to know what is the work of this MySQL EXISTS Operator. So let's do it. Select start from. Select the first you need to insert the table name. The table value name. So basically in the first table, as you can see, we have customer ID and customer name. So I'm preferring to take customer name. So I would like to say customer name. So this was the name, and then you have to say from the table name. What was the table name? So customer. So the table name is customer, and where. So now we are applying our exists operator operation. So just type in exists. So make sure to don't miss any word of this, then it will be not worth that. I have tried on people there. Select, and this is, so I'm going to take from one, and then I would like to, the other formulas also, then you have to implement on that from. So on that. So what was the next table? The next table was customer another, and then we have to say where now we have to mention customer another. When you put this dot, this means the SQL will give you the extension of the customer, the database which you have inserted already. So the next one is customer ID, and then we have another one is also the customer ID, and then you have to type it equal to Oh, okay, wait. We have to change this one because then in the first table is customer ID, the second table we have order ID, not customer ID or the order ID. So the next table, our table is customers. So now we are giving the extension of the first table, customer and dot customer ID customer. But as you can see, this was the first table. So I'm just going to take this customer ID, customer, which is given ID, customer ID. When it is done, just close the bracket and then give the semicolon and enter it. As you can see, the total, the total name which we take it from the customer order, we was having a customer and then we got another table which is customer order, these things. So the operations will work on that on the one side of that which is customer name by ID. We take from by ID that. So that make it clearly understand. So I hope I have make it clear understand.